Hello everyone. So just to kind of help you guys out, if you ever buy a car in the US and you want to put it on European, to make it to European specs, there's some buttons you have to add because Euro spec cars have fog lights either front or rear depending on the model. M3s don't have them in the front, they have them in the rear. So I have to swap out, I think it's that one for the back. So I have to replace this button. And since this unit is original to the car, I think I'm going to put it back, even though, let me check for you because I like checking things. Even though the part numbers are different, the one's made in Germany, this one's made in Romania. So I have to be extra careful. I'm not gonna use any, hope not, any tools to get this cover off. Or I might have to. Okay, I have to use tools. And what I want to avoid is to mother F. Is to break any of these little clips, because on the unit that I bought there's already a few broken ones, and well, heck, I don't want to buy a new one. You piece of schnitzel. Okay. What you want to do is you want to take this apart, leave this in position as much as you can. Okay, and then the inside will look like this. And you want to take out the bottom one, which is this one, so gently undo the little clips and see if you can't start to push the button outwards. Almost. Don't want to break anything because I don't want to have to buy another one of these. Not because I'm cheap, it's because I don't like doing things 4 times. I learned my lesson on the Citroen the hard way. Buying things 4 times for that car. Almost. Is it wanting to budge or not? Can't tell. Anyway, I'm going to pause it and then resume when I've gotten it out. Alright, so it's out, which is good. I'm going to take apart the other one and show you the inside of that so we can compare. This is the module out of the M3, and this is the module out of the other car. And as you can see, they both have a little light where you want the little pegs to be, and these pegs are also longer. So I'm going to try and see if I don't need to do anything. But more importantly, these are shorter, those are longer. It has these little blocks, the other one, which tell me that I need to move those over as well to the M3 switchboard, because otherwise it will not activate the thing. Okay, so those move as well. Alright. I'm going to press on and resume when I've taken more stuff apart. Victory is mine. Button is out. So this will go in here like so. In that position. And then one of these will go in here like so, like that, with the motherboard on the back. So I'm gonna click it into place. And that has some play now. I didn't touch the dial. And then I hope that that's enough tension. Otherwise, I need to put this one in. Ah. Okay. I have to use the other motherboard because the other one didn't have enough tension on it. And I'll put back the one with all the clips. Like that. Okay. Plug it into the car. Let's see if it works. First rule of installing things. Always just plug it in and make sure it's hooked up. On, and it doesn't work because the ignition isn't on. And for that, the key needs to be in the car. Key in the car. Bring it to life. Hope that works. It doesn't work yet. Try again. Still not working. So it'll switch on the daytime running lights for the car and turn off the display and switch the lights on and off. And now let's try it again. Oh yeah, they work. Euro spec M3 things, the fog lights work. Heckin' yes. So what do you need for this mod? You need a Euro spec cluster for a 3 series or anything with a matching part number for this. You swap out the motherboard so that the button has functionality, and from there it is literally plug in and go. Super cool. One step closer to putting this car on the road. So part number you could need is 693279603, or you swap out the motherboard. This is the motherboard from the M3. This is 233388021. And all you need to do is swap out that button, switch the headlights on, press the button, and the fog lights in the back work. And like that, I have a pretty much Euro spec M3. So I will, never mind, light doesn't want to cooperate. I will demonstrate now. So press the ignition, wake up the car. 1, 2, pop the lights on, press the button for the fog light, and it doesn't have an indication there. Oh yes, it does. And then we go to the back, and we can see it's working. Perfect.